This video is to show how to replace the French door flapper spring in a Bosch refrigerator. This slide shows the part numbers for the replacement parts. The Samsung part is used in replacement of the Bosch spring. The Bosch part is a condensation separator. You have to buy the whole assembly to get the spring. Here are two springs. This is the original spring, and this is the Samsung spring. You notice that the configuration is very similar. The only difference really is this diameter is the number of coils. The diameter of the spring is the same. The wire diameter of the spring is the same. These springs are very similar. One has one more coil than the other. This is the original Bosch. This is the Samsung. The configuration of the spring is the same. The spring rate, the spring of this is softer. That's the Samsung one versus the Bosch, which is a little stiffer. And that's it. I'm going to try out the Samsung spring in my Bosch refrigerator, see if it serves the function. Okay, I'm going to remove the spring. I'm using vice grips because I don't want the spring shooting across the room if I don't have it gripped right. And I'm taking the sleeve out because the sleeve needed replacing too. So when you install the spring, make sure you install in this direction. The bent part of the spring is up. Put the Bosch sleeve in there with the Samsung spring. Let's see how this works. Seems to work just fine. Save yourself $90 by just buying the spring. Okay, we're going to take the Samsung spring out and put the Bosch spring in. This Bosch spring is the stiffer spring. The configuration is slightly different. And essentially it feels the same. So I'm going to leave it at that. There's your essentially a $100 spring, and the other one was a $10 spring, and actually got two springs and a plastic sleeve. So that's how you repair your Bosch refrigerator.